Hey, hello guys. Welcome to SphereSkill Technologies, which is empowering tomorrow's learning. In today's session, we are diving into one of the most powerful and practical area of Excel, that is data cleaning. Every day we receive messy spreadsheet, data with extra spaces or repeated entries, combined text, inconsistent pattern and formatting issue, right? So we do analyze data and we must clean and prepare the data, right? So today I'm going to show you practical how to transform completely unstructured data into a clean usable information within seconds using three essential tools, that is your data cleaning using remove duplicates, text to column and flash fills. So how do this work? So that is what we are going to see. So this is me, Jay Ganeshan, and you are in module 4 season 1, where we are going to see about data cleaning with remove duplicates, text to fill and flash fill, right? So in our further session we are going to see about data tools, how to do data validation, drop down, grouping, ungrouping and sorting, filtering, multi-level sorts and advanced filter, right? So without any further delay, let us get it started.
SphereSkill Technologies, empowering tomorrow's learning.
Okay guys, so we will see how we can able to remove the duplicate first in the season 1 of module 4. So I have some raw data text here, so which is all in one cell, in which we will try to remove the duplicates. So first let us select the data what we want. How to do that? Control shift, page down will be the shortcut, and where you can able to go to the data. So once we come to the data, we have a option called M, that is your M here for your data remove duplicates. So the shortcuts will be Alt A and M. So select the cell which you want to remove the duplicate and press what you want to remove it. So click OK. So when you have duplicates are been removed, so we are able to identify 6 unique value and one duplicate is been found. Okay, so we are going to retain this and we are going to split this into multiple columns using delimiter. Okay, so how to do that? I will show you with the shortcut. So let us select first what we want to uh, change across. So Alt A is your data. So from here, text to column will be your E field here, right? So Alt A E. So you will get what you want to do. So here, if you guys carefully observe, you can have a shortcut which will have a uh, underscore marked. So which means if you press that word, it will come to this place. W if you press, it will come here. If you press D, it will come here. Okay. So similarly, N is here marked, right? So if you press N, it will go to the next section. So how we are going to split it? So that is what it is being said here. Delimited is nothing but a character. You are going to add specific character and you are going to split it. Okay, and fixed width is like selecting the value using a specific width. Okay, so we are going to see how we can able to use fixed width after completing delimited value. So I will show you with one more example where we will use a fixed width. Now going with the delimited, so we will use the n and we have gone to the next tab. So in this we have so many options. Either we can use a tab or semicolon or comma or space or any other character. See, for example, you might have a delimited spaced on a pipe symbol. Okay, some will be providing a pipe symbol, but most frequently what you will be getting is with the comma, space and semicolon only. So what we will do, this is comma separated. So we will use a comma. So how to use this? Just press C, you will get the comma and click next. You will get converted into different cells. Okay, see how it will get converted. So you will get converted first cell, then second cell, third, fourth and fifth. So this is how it will be getting converted, right? Okay, so we will do it from the first. From the first, when we want to get it done, so what we will do, we will select the value and then we will press the Alt A, right? So in this, E is your text to column and we are using a delimited value, press N, and then comma is your selected value, press C, and then once again N, and what it is going to be converted as? It is going to be converted as a general text only. We are not having any specific. If we want to have a specific related to date or numbers, we can use it, otherwise we can skip it. So here F is for finish. We can see here, so this is been converted text. So now we can able to change this name, door number, street name. So with a single text we got complete address, right? So how we can able to add this? Alt H, in which B and your all border goes with A. Okay, so that is how we can add the border. So that is the shortcut for that. So shortcut is something every moment when we want to have a information, we will try to have the shortcuts learned. Okay, so now we have the data from which we have converted from a text to column. So in this we will try to remove and we will try to apply filter. For applying the filter, what you can do, Control Shift L. You guys see we got the filter here, right? So now what is the use of this filter? To get the filter down, what you can do, Alt down arrow. Now you can straight away go to search by typing what you want to get. Okay, so now what we want here, we want to select only Ramu, let us say. Okay, so click OK. It will get print. It will get filter to Ramu. So now we have multiple Ramus here. So we will remove this filter. So we got all the users once again. So we have removed the filter. So now we will see how we can able to cleanicize the data once again. Okay, that is by removing your duplicate. So how we can able to do, Alt A. So in which you will go with your M for your data validation. You are selecting everything. Click OK. See here, you got only one duplicate because we have selected all the cells, right? So now, whereas Ramu is here, okay, so I will restore it back. We have Raja, in which Raja, both the Rajas are same. See, both the Rajas are same. So how does this works? So when we have all the records which is being selected, then we are validating each and every record and then removing the duplicate. So in that case, so it is okay that it is a complete duplicate item, right? So we will do that once again. So we are removing everything. Okay, one duplicate is being removed. In the same way, we have Ramu, one more line which is having a different record. So I want to remove only with respect to name. So in that case, how we can able to remove it? We can untick whatever field which we don't want to be validated, and only with respect to name we can able to do. See, you see here now Ramu is also been removed. So that is how you can validate. So when you validate with multiple cells and with the column of that cell, what happens is that all the values will get validated and find if it is being duplicate or not. Okay, so if it is not that case, only I want to have only with the name or only with the city. So when you have with city, multiple duplicates can be found across, right? So on the context to find the duplicate, so how to get the duplicate, so that is what we have seen now. Okay, so now we are going to use a specific delimiter, okay, to convert this into a cells. So this is some raw data which we are having. So we can go text to columns. So where we will be using a fixed width. So in fixed width, what will happen? It will identify where and how it has to be divided. Okay. So if you want, I don't want to be date and time to be combined. For example, in this case, Excel has suggested like this is how it will get combined. Okay, so now I don't want this way, so I want both to be together. Yes, you can able to arrange it like this, or you can add it any additional uh, delimiter also. So if you put a delimiter here or here, it will come. So if you don't want, you can just remove it. Okay, so now here this is the file name which we want to have it as a separate column. Okay, so this is the size of the file. So this is date and time. So date and time we will have it as a one single column, and we will see how it comes. Now we will go to convert this thing. So this one what is been selected, which will be date and time, we can able to specify, and this will be of a general, right? Okay, so we can finish it. So you can see here this has been converted into text to column. So how we have achieved? We have achieved it using a fixed width. So the earlier method what we have seen is what delimited. So in delimited, what is the difference? We will be using a specific a delimiter, which will be like a semicolon, comma, space, pipe symbol, or even some characters like percentage, ampersand will be used for splitting the value. So huge amount of data dump will be coming as a CSV or text, which will be used to convert into different cells. So that we will be using delimiter. Whereas in the fixed width, you will be having a specific width under which you will be able to split the cell into multiple cells, right? So this is what converting the text to columns. So we have successfully converted using both the methods. So we can create the title. So to get the cell padding to be covered up to this, what we can simply do, we can go here and just press double tap. Okay, so if you do that, then automatically Excel will be taking it to you the maximum coverage of that particular cell. So now we can go to home, and then we can put complete row border. For that, Alt H E A, right? So you will get to the value how to put to the borders. Alt H B A. So that is done. So here this is a date and time. So we have provided this is a date time format, so we are able to get as a date time. So when we are converting itself, you can able to take what is the date time value of this, and accordingly you can convert. And here all your PDF files has been came. So that is how we can able to convert it from a text to column. Okay. So I have taken some more text for demonstrating flash fill. So we will first put it the some tables here. I will add some extra columns. Okay, so here what is flash fill? Flash fill is a function of Excel. By default it will get activated, but how do that works and how do it improves the efficiency and then making it faster completion? The flash fill, which will be working based on the previous context with respect to the column name, and when we type something it will auto suggest it. See, for example, if I want to type some name here, you can see I have just typed NI and the remaining context has been came. Okay, so I can able to just press tab. So this Nitya Rajendran is in the 22nd line, right? Now, whereas the first name expected, I can able to type any name here. So that will also get flash filled. So why it is filled? Because this will be taken as one data type and it has been indexed automatically by the Excel, and which will be auto suggesting. So whenever we are typing it, so any word we are typing, it will be auto suggesting. See, now I have typed R, but it is not auto suggesting. Why? Because there are two R, Ramesh and Rajendran is there, which is having a common name RA. So up to RA it will not suggest. Now if I type the next character, it will suggest. Okay. So when we have a common characters, up to the common characters, the system will not suggest anything after the common characters. So what it has to be, it will be suggesting. So entering the Excel becomes very easier, right? So that is how the flash fill will work. Thanks for watching. Hope this video would be informative for you guys. So if you found this to be informative, please share with your friends. Click like and subscribe and do leave me a comment. I will reply to you for each and every comment. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe and do follow up with my Facebook and also YouTube. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, this is me, Jay Ganeshan, signing off for today.